Welcome back to our channel. Nagashi Arts is very glad because our in-house brand Zero, is launching one of the most awaited product. Well, we are talking about one of the most awaited product, that is Pratibimb transfer sheets by brand Zero. And we are very glad that brand Zero is always there to make products available at affordable price for a lot of lovely crafters. So today I would like to tell you that we are launching this transfer sheet which is water based, and we are very happy that brand Zero is making this product available in India. And I would also like to tell you that this is one of the technique used in abroad and overseas since ages, and we are very happy that brand Zero is bringing this technique, this product in India, making it available for all lovely crafters at affordable prices. And these designs are so lovely and so Indian that you'll definitely love it. And this upcoming festive season, it will be a great use. Okay, so I would like to tell you that these transfer sheet, how does this work? First of all, this work on any flat and smooth surface. It is easy to work with. It is affordable, suitable for your pocket, and I'm very sure that your clients will love it because आखिर दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, तो हिंदुस्तानी डिज़ाइंस तो सबको पसंद आएंगे. तो I would like to show you few of the work which we have done. So you can see this beautiful flower transfer done on the plastic base on metal. Okay, I have. Okay, so now I think you can see this. We have done this technique on candle as well, on ceramic, on glass. This is decoupage glass bottle. To enhance the beauty of this bottle, I have used this technique on this bottle. So what I would like to tell you is it is very easy to work with. What you need, well, I would like to show you, this is one of the design which we are launching. So what you need is, you need this transfer sheets by brand Zero, and a cup of water, sponge, scissor, and a cloth. So I have cut this design. I have done fuzzy cut. Well, you must be thinking, what is fuzzy cut if you're new in this crafting industry? So I would like to tell you, when you are doing a cut edge to edge, that is called fuzzy cut. I would show you a small demo here. So I'll take a scissor. I hope it is visible to you. I'll take a scissor. I'll cut this with normal scissor, and when I'm doing a edge to edge cut, just by leaving a small paper, so you can see this is called fuzzy cutting. Okay, so if you're new to this, you can leave a little bit area so your design won't cut. So this I have done just to show you. Okay, you can use any scissor which is available at your home. It is not necessary to buy a very expensive scissor. In market also, the very good scissors are available at 40 or 50 rupees. You can buy them. Okay, so I have the fuzzy cut designs with me. Here it is. I'll take my bottle. So the base is already ready. You can see here. What I need is, I'll take this fuzzy cut element, I can say. Now what I'll do is, I'll put it in the water like this. I'll wait for around 10 to 15 seconds. And also I'll tell you, you can use it in mixed media, scrapbooking, or either I can say decoupage, or even on your walls. So now I'll remove it like this. Now you can see I'll dab the water. I'll take my base. I'll check the design. I'll keep this aside. And now I'll put it here on my surface. So now I'll take a rough cloth. It's okay if you have a rough cloth. I'll dab it. So you dab it properly so the air bubble will be removed. Make sure you are dabbing it properly with a rough cloth or with a sponge. So once it is done, you slide it like this. See how beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. Also, do not touch when it is wet. If you're touching it, it will stick to your hand. So don't touch it. Okay. So once it will dry, you have to do a varnish on it. Always use a clear varnish. Don't use oil based varnish or any varnish which is available in any shop or anything. Always use a varnish which is used in the craft. So now what happens, you know, if you'll just put it like this, it is a simple thing. So you can use different designs to make it more beautiful. So I have this butterfly. You all love butterflies. So you can see I've done a fuzzy cutting. Again, I'll put it here. सो आप बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स को लेके मिक्स एंड मैच करके उसको लगा सकते हैं, बहुत सुंदर ही दिखेगा. तो अभी 10 सेकेंड्स हो गए हैं. मैं इसको निकालती हूँ. जो एक्सेस वाटर है मैं उसको कप से ही निकाल देती हूँ. ऐसे कप में ही डाल देती हूँ. और फिर मैं प्लेसमेंट देख लेती हूँ मुझे जहाँ डालना है. तो मैं नीचे नहीं रखना चाहती हूँ, मैं इसको ऊपर रखना चाहती हूँ. तो आप उसको देखिए. मैंने शायद मुझे और नीचे रखना चाहिए था, मैंने ऊपर रख दिया है. तो मैं अभी इसको हिलाऊंगी नहीं, मैं इसको प्रेस कर लूँगी कपड़े से. या आप स्पॉन्ज से भी कर सकते हैं. These are brand zero sponges which is available in our store at a very affordable prices. मैं अब उसको ऐसे प्रेस कर लूँगी. अब मैं इसको निकालूँगी स्लाइड करके. So see how beautiful it is. Now can you see? सो जब भी आप कोई भी एलिमेंट कर रहे हो, आप 2-3 एलिमेंट्स मिक्स करके कर सकते हैं. आपको जस्ट अपना बेस तैयार करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ आप एक्रिलिक पे काम कर सकते हैं. यू कैन वर्क ऑन वॉल, यू कैन वर्क ऑन सेरेमिक कैंडल्स. Christmas is around the corner. You can use lot of candles. We are coming up with more designs and I'm sure you love it because हम सबकी टेस्ट का ध्यान रखते हैं. ब्रांड ज़ीरो में बीट दिवाली, बीट क्रिसमस, तो हम सबके लिए डिज़ाइंस लेकर आ रहे हैं. एंड दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ द डिज़ाइंस. सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ अस. एंड ऑल्सो दिस टेक्निक you will love it because ये बहुत ही easy है and even this is very child friendly. तो आप कर सकते हो. even कोई ओल्ड एज भी है, कोई बड़े एज के भी हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं. एंड वी ऑलवेज बिलीव इन वन थिंग, एनीबडी कैन क्राफ्ट एंड दिस टेक्निक कैन बी यूज बाय एनीबडी. सो आई होप you are loving this and I'm sure if you have any suggestion please let us know. Happy shopping at Nagashri Arts. You can buy everything at our website. It is already available on our website. Happy crafting. Bye bye. Take care.